In this video, I will give a tour of a holiday home at a campsite in the Normandy region of France. The house has a terrace with outdoor furniture and 3 bedrooms with beds, 4 single beds, and 1 double bed. There's also a washing machine, a clothes dryer, and plenty of wardrobes and storage space for clothes and personal belongings. The living room and kitchen area include a sofa, air conditioning, a table, and chairs. The kitchen is equipped with a dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave oven, gas stove, sink, cupboards for dishes, cutlery, plates, cookware, and a kettle. The holiday home also has a shower cabin and a toilet. Bed linen was not provided, and guests were required to clean the house before departure. Otherwise, the owner would charge around €100 for cleaning. The campsite has a swimming pool, which was especially useful during the hot days. The total cost for our stay was $150 for 2 nights. Check in started after 5 p.m., and checkout was at 10 a.m.,